Meteorologist Lauren Jones in with us tonight for Chief Meteorologist Jennifer Schack. The Live Viper radar was a little busy today, but nothing in comparison to the last 2 days, and that was kind of a good thing in terms of storms.
That really is. I mean, we needed the rainfall yesterday, and it kind of destabilized the atmosphere, so we were lucky today. The storms today, we really just got some of that rainfall. Not even a lot of lightning, and we still have one little cell to deal with before we dry out for the evening. Right now, just leaving Knott County, headed into Letcher County right now, so you can see Live Viper HD picking up one or two of those lightning strikes. It picked up 4, so a very weak thunderstorm, and that is exiting our region as we speak. The rest of central and eastern Kentucky is currently drying out. We had those line of weak thunderstorms roll through the region earlier this evening, but things have been much calmer compared to yesterday. Rainfall totals have also been a lot less than yesterday. You can see 14/10 of an inch in London, around a half an inch for Jackson, though, and 3/100 of an inch for Lexington, so much lower rainfall totals. We had quite a bit of rainfall, and there were slow movers yesterday compared to today. We were still dealing with a lot of that cloud cover, but the past 36 hours, the rainfall totals pretty generous. We certainly needed that rainfall. Over 1 inch for most of our locations. Jackson 3/4 of an inch, and almost 2 inches for London. This is over the past 36 hours, and we really had substantial rainfall over the past 5 to 6 days. Highs today, even though we had that cold front rolling through, we still heated up pretty nicely. 87 degrees, the official high for Lexington, 81 for Jackson, and 84 degrees for London. Those low 90s were saved for western and southwestern portions of the state, so we were pretty close to average this time of year. However, it was very humid today, so it felt even warmer. Felt like the low to mid 90s across the board. We're cooling down, though, in the wake of that cold front. Still in the low 70s, though. 72 degrees right now in Lexington, and still a little bit muggy, especially in southern Kentucky. Dew points right now in the mid 60s, so muggy but not uncomfortable right now in the downtown metro area. Those winds behind that front have shifted out of the north-northeast at around 10 miles an hour right now. 72 in Lexington, 72 in Jackson as well, and 72 degrees in Monticello. Again, dew points are definitely lower further south where that cold front passed through later on this evening. 72-degree dew point right now in Corbin, but mid-60s saved for the bluegrass, so drier air beginning to funnel in. We've also got fairly breezy winds in the bluegrass right now. Lexington and Louisville 10 to 15 miles an hour. If that calms down, we might get a little bit more fog right now. Just some very light patchy fog across eastern Kentucky. Jackson, visibility reduced to around 8 miles. That cold front isn't going to cool us off too much tomorrow. We're still going to be making it up to around the mid-80s area-wide, but the humidity value is going to be much lower in the wake of that cold front that is right now currently passing through the southeastern portions of the state. That's what brought in those showers and those weak thunderstorms today. That cold front will continue to slide off to the southeast. High pressure will build in behind that. We still have a stray chance for an afternoon and evening thunderstorm for eastern and southeastern Kentucky tomorrow afternoon. That cold front still lingering just off to the southeast border of Kentucky, so we'll keep that stray storm chance around for Saturday and Sunday, but high pressure building in. We'll keep most of the bluegrass in central Kentucky dry for our weekend. Those stray storm chances really just sticking around for eastern and southeastern Kentucky. Some patchy fog tonight as we drop off to 65 degrees, so noticeably more comfortable. We'll save that isolated shower for southeastern and eastern Kentucky. So a pretty decent evening as those winds die down, and we'll climb up to 86 degrees for our Saturday afternoon. Partly cloudy skies, that isolated stray thunderstorm chance in southeastern and eastern Kentucky. Much less humid. That humidity is going to start building back in, though, as those winds swing around to the south to start off the work week. That's going to bring those temperatures back up to the low 90s and increase those rain chances. So a pleasant weekend ahead, though.
Boy, it really is. What a great start for your Saturday. Hope you can get out and enjoy it.
Exactly.
Lauren, thank you.
You're welcome.